Today in this video we will see what to do if the camera application icon is missing from the home screen or the apps screen of your Samsung device. Now since camera is a system application, so you won't be able to delete it. So what might have happened is it might have hidden inside the folder. So what you need to do is you tap on this search box here and then write camera. So you can see the camera app icon here. So what I will do is I will tap and hold on this camera app icon and then select locate app. So this camera is inside a folder, and if you want to bring it outside on the apps screen, what you need to do is tap and hold on this camera icon and then drag it outside. Now the other reason might be is that the camera app icon might be hidden from the home screen or the apps screen. So in that case, what you need to do is again you need to go here and type camera. Once you see the camera app icon, tap and hold on this camera app icon and again go to this option locate app. Now you will go to this screen. You can see here hidden apps, and under this hidden apps I have 1 2 3 4 icons. So all of these applications will be hidden from the home screen or the apps screen of your Samsung device. So if you want to unhide, what you do is tap on this minus icon so that the application icon will be removed from hidden apps, and then select apply. Close this one and the application icon will be available at the end of the screen. So this is the application icon. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment on the video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.